Hi everybody, or at least the 3 subscribers that I have. Hi. So I'm just sitting here in my lady lounge and I'm just in the mood to film videos because I have nothing better to do on a Tuesday night besides sit in my lady lounge and talk to a little camera. So anyway, I wanted to tag myself and do the In Your Pants tag because that is my favorite tag that I've seen, and because I'm new, nobody's really tagging me, but I have heard people say, I tag everyone, so I'm going to do it. I've chosen 10, but actually I think I have 11 books. I didn't count. I think I have 10 books here. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to try to get through this. And I snort, like when I laugh, I sound hilarious. Like I sound like a pig, and then I start laughing even more, which makes me snort even more. And it's just a vicious cycle. So if that happens, I apologize in advance. So let's get started. The first one I chose is, oh, you can't see it very well. The first one I chose is Cold Sassy Tree, In Your Pants. The Prophet of Yonwood, In Your Pants. This is my favorite, one of my favorite ones. A Reliable Wife, In Your Pants. I don't know if it's supposed to be in your pants or in my pants, but for this one I want to say in my pants. Strange Kentucky Monster, in my pants. Actually, now that I say that, that's kind of insulting. So, Strange Kentucky Monsters, in your pants. Great Expectations, in your pants. Oh, sorry. All that noise. I chose this one just because I just got finished reading it. A Feast for Crows, in your pants. It's so wrong. Okay, this one. 10 Big Ones, in your pants. Just saying. The Appalachian Trail, in your pants. This one is probably, oh my gosh, I'm probably going to get some really bad comments for this one, but The Minister's Wooing, in your pants. In my pants, just playing. The Lovely Bones, in your pants. And then the very last one, I think this might be 11. The very last one, and probably one of my other favorites, is The Big Bad Wolf, in my pants. That's just so wrong. I don't see how people get through these without cracking up. So anyway, those are my 10, 11 books, whatever. I hope you all enjoyed it. I know that I love your all's videos, so I tag anybody who sees this if you haven't done it yet, which you probably have because everybody and their mother has done it. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you later. Bye.